The Tianshan International Cold Chain Freight Train carries 436.5 tons of fresh Xinjiang grapes, departing Urumqi for Bangkok, covering 4,000 kilometers in just 9 days. It boosts efficiency by over 20%. It has 1 locomotive, 22 flatcars, and 22 backpack Reefer containers, with precise temperature and humidity control to keep the grapes fresh. Full track monitoring for cargo safety and lower costs. On return, it brings Southeast Asian tropical fruits back, building a two-way trade channel.